You see, the one that will worry about me, I want to tell you this.
I'm not going to be at Groovin' in the Park.
Popular social media content creator and comedian was killed at Trin City Mall on Saturday.
Now 100 times I say me nah rank.
You are ranking. You are ranking.
Welcome to the social media countdown. Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. Oh, I remember the choreography. Ready? Yeah. Whoo. Russia.
Box cover Dutty Berry here, and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. We have so many topics, whole heap of festive topics to talk about. Oh God, I'm still tired from the Flames Rock. Before I jump into it, I forgot to say big up to the Berridos who supported last week's social media countdown, over 100,000 views and growing. So big on up for the support. And if you're on the live right now, please to hit the thumbs up button right now. I am waiting because you don't just itch. And if you're new, subscribe. Okay? Let's jump into this week's countdown.
The dirty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and mixing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Yendi, baby, Miss Universe. Wow. Okay, Berridos. So, Miss Universe, Yendi Phillips. Oh, why may I say Miss Universe? Anyway, she is our Miss Universe. Me not forget it. She is our Miss Universe. Okay. So, Yendi Phillips announced on her social media that she is pregnant. Yes. Woo. Baby numero dos. Yes. Yendi Phillips. She's now pregnant with her husband, businessman Omar McFarlane. Here is what the Jamaica had to say about this. So they said that Jamaican TV host, model, and Miss Jamaica World 2007, Yendi Phillips has revealed that she is pregnant with her second child. She made the announcement on Instagram. Yeah, man, and she posts up this picture up on her social media with this caption: God's timing and blessing. And maybe a little bit of a goat mouth too. You know, Yendi have her little laugh. She do her hand like this, I think. You know, it's a girl, Yendi. Guys. Hey, Jamaica, it's your girl, Yendi Phillips. And I... yeah, she have a little laugh. Like, it's so adorable. Like, can you try the Yendi laugh with me? But yeah, so she's pregnant with her second child, and we know a whole heap of people did ask for the baby from Yendi, and Yendi is like, so in a goat mode cause, because the last time she mentioned say Lisa did drop on her when she was, you know, in that other situation. And why observe her? Why would I write this piece about Yendi and not have put who she did have the first baby for in the last line of the article? Like, come on, man. Jeez, I'm Pim. The girl has moved on. Come on, man. But anyway, Berridos, let me just say congratulations to Yendi, and I hope everything will go great. And is it going to be a big sister now? So big up. Number 9, Falls, me drop down. Oh, remember the song? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. Sing it with me. But yeah, man, the girl that never listened, she decided to go and chase the waterfalls. And look at what she got.
Yeah.
No, man, that is a radam. That is a radam if I've ever seen one. Are people still saying radam? Wow, I need to find that out. But anyway, this was just so unfortunate. This girl come to Jamaica, she do her trip, enjoy the festivities, and only one misstep, you know, and look what ended up. She went down a whole entire. You know, the heap scrape up the girl and probably get pan fair and knee up them. This girl is a dolly, you know. Dolly to the point where in the first couple seconds, I actually thought it was TC. Come there, go say TC, man. I think you angle that a while ago. You never angle that girl. Jesus P.
Life nice, then me coulda want go 6 feet. You crazy no of cut to the delivery.
No man, this is, I could even laugh. But honestly, if I were this girl, I'd stay in the water. My face would have stayed in the water because when me tell you, say, shame would have killed me. Because that's not a regular little bucket, little two and drop, you know. That is a... You remember when Elephant Man did say your foot a broom? No man, this is exactly it. My girl became a mop stick. But Burritos, let me know, has anything as embarrassing happened to you on a trip? Sound off below. Number 8, Downtown Stars, McGinnep. Okay, McGinnep, wow. Burritos, you know, Jamaican people are some of the most hilarious and just talented people from all walks of life, whether it come from uptown, side town, round town, and even... Wow. Wow, how come? How come? And especially downtown. Here is why.
Killing me softly with his word, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his word. And there he was, that stranger, a stranger to my eyes. And when he looked right through me, girl, I could not see. And there he was, that young boy, a stranger to my eye, down in my face with his finger, telling my whole life true. Killing me softly, killing me softly with his word, killing me softly.
No man, that lady, she never sing, she sung. That come from down in the depths of her trachea. The woman, no man, she have conviction. Why is she not on Rising Stars? Wanna hear them vocals here?
And there he was, that stranger, a stranger to my eyes. And when he looked right through me, girl, I could not see.
We only need to focus on the fact that she need to learn the words them now. Yeah. I think I want to do a little clash right now. Hold on. Killing me softly with his song, singing my life with his words. Killing me softly with his song, singing my whole life with his words. Killing me softly. For those of you who are watching right now, how much is that going to give me? I know I must get more than that. Really? Wow, wow. Y'all are booing. Wow, wow. When I do me like this, But let me know, Burritos, what did you think of her rendition of the Fugees' Killing Me Softly? Sound off below.
Now, here's this week's random video of the week.
Watch my co-worker eat mango off of the tree. Instead, she pick the mango off of the tree, she stay up on chair and I eat the mango.
Box cover DuttyBerry here, and I have some exciting news to share with you. Now, my Burritos family, thank you so much for all of the support over the years, and I have now decided to, build more of a community with you awesome people, and that is through channel memberships. So I've decided to do it in 3 different tiers, and so the first tier is level 1, and that is called Box Cover Burritos. Okay, so that's for us $2.99, and then level 2, the second tier, is the My Word Burritos. This is for $6.99. $24.99. And then the final tier is the My Sentence burritos, and this is for $24.99. But burritos, you know them something here awkward for me to do, but you know what I say? We're big people. Me and you, we know each other from a long time and we can talk. So it's support for support. I just want you to join me on this journey because this will also give me a better positioning so I can really see how I can help this Jamaican content creation space. So, you know, join right now, today. Number 7, Jamaicans at the BET Awards. My red carpet. Okay, burritos, I have to go and shout out, you know, man, because we're going to talk about how Jamaican people are always representing. And I have to go just say, you know, the BET Awards is a really good look for to say, when you invite so many different Jamaican artists to take part in on a show. There was Spice, there was Patra, there was Dexter Daps, there was Skillibeng on the red carpet. I don't know who else may I forget. And it was just so good to see that they were a part of the festivities. Spice, she deal with the stage grimy. Wicked, you know, with Fear song, So Me Like It. I couldn't believe that Spice fling up the foot and jump in a split. And the audience sit down in there like said them not to see a big excitement a go on.
You ready? Me a put me tan a patch it on the beat, me just a drop it on me twerk it and on the cock like me a map it. Me put it and a pop it, I wind it and a lap it. A picture you fit slap it, me a book it but stop it. Jamaica so we like it.
Me want to fight the BET Awards because why wanna see the Spice up there, I do the but me turn a clap it on the meat, me just a mark it, or me twerk it and a slap it on the ground. Like, yeah, she's doing all of that. I wanna sit down there like so una dead for hungry, like una in a library service. What is going on? Una think una did I watch the budget debate?
I feel away.
And then you know, Dexter Daps go up there and do theme thing and just shell the place. It was so nice to see Patra and of course Skillibeng. I don't know, I feel like me I forget somebody, but you can comment down below. So just, you know, that was a great look and I can't wait for some more Jamaican/Caribbean representation on other award shows as well. Also, we can talk about the clothes a little bit. So this is what Spicy show up on the red carpet I'm wearing. Like, me think this would have bad pan a little mermaid. If she kind of come in on one little seashell, something like this, Jesus, with her blue-eared blue theme? Nah, man. Underwater, she and Cartel, you couldn't tell me so that could depend on the Little Mermaid's soundtrack. You can't imagine you there and just hear, wish I could be underwater, you underwater. I mean, if you grab it again, I mean, the moon and no man, that would have bad. And this is what Dexter Daps wore. This is, me not honestly, you can't tell say a different style this come. I never see Dexter and them type of something here. Him really look like one of them foreign artists there. And me are like, oh, yeah man, Dexter can't pull it off me here. Some people did that talk about the fact say him go up on the red carpet and wear one ring. Most up on him pinky finger or one of them finger around his and it say it look like one aki. Come on, man. And what would have been wrong if the man go there and I represent the land where him come from? Anyway, so burritos, let me know what you thought of the Jamaicans' appearance on the BET Awards stage. Sound off below. Number 6, cycling flashlight. Miss UPs. Okay, burritos, I say one of the things that with Jamaican people, I just love their ability to come up with a nickname on spot. They will always have a nickname for you. If you are tall, you're gonna name Langi Lala. If you're plus size, you're gonna name Fatty Fatty. Me don't know. If you're black, you're gonna name Blacky Black. Me just can't understand why Jamaican people have to always find a name for you. What happened? Huh? But anyway, take a look at this video.
Flashlight head mad ya now.
Flashlight is here. Flashlight is here. Flashlight. Yeah.
You know, expletives aside, I honestly, I think this is hilarious. Like, I feel like a second me I say, is that how the brother really look? Because I thought it was makeup for probably like a JCDC performance. I can't believe I saw the brother walk around, but honestly, the flashlight name, it really does fit because in the middle of the darkness, you must spot him. Jesus Christ, man. What the people them name when you watch Olympics now and them run got the front? The pacemaker? Jesus Christ. But yes, burritos, could you share some of your funny nicknames that you have for your friends in the comments and on the live right now? Oh, and by the way, if you now watch it, please to make sure so you hit the like button. Hit the like button, the thumbs up button, so we can continue. And I'm going to wait 5 seconds. Come on, me I wait for you. Hit the like button. Una depend the live wherever on there right now. Una just watch the video. Una sit down up. Una watch it on the phone. Una watch it on TV. On a laptop. Una must can hit the like and subscribe. Count and watch the channel week to week. And una not subscribing. I'm trying to get to the 300,000 subscriber mark. Come on, burritos. Come on. Number 5, Rosalee versus Tan. Make Jerry Springer. Okay, burritos know. So this is a TikTok saga. A little TikTok mix up. Okay, so Rosalee, Rose, if you don't know her, she's a social media personality, kind of like how you used to have Candy Wow and you have Barbie and you have Mackerel. So one of them type of girl that will have up the little slang them and the talk them, right?
I got a bed cute, so I'm supposed to wake up cute. Is that true, no?
And so Tanaania, social media personality, YouTuber, girl Dolly, all of these things. So both of them are on TikTok and they tend to play a lot of matches because, you know, TikTok is a space where a lot of people are, you know, doing the matches and, you know, a try for rank and all of that. And so this ranking thing, it look like a lot of people take very seriously. I'm going to take nobody, I take it as serious as Rose right now because Rose went on a couple different TikTok lives, basically showed how upset she was with Tanaania for hugging the #1 spot. Here's what Rose had to say.
And when for them friend did wrong, for them friend have no sleepless nights. Me not meant enemy, me I talk the truth. Me not meant the enemy, me I talk the truth. Me not meant no enemy, me I talk the truth. When them friend won #1 position, nobody was there to kick them off. They never try run competition with them friend to kick off them friend. They make them friend hold the position. Them shoot for them friend because them want them friend to hold the position. Don't come to me when me I make the enemy like say, me I eat it, I don't know what me I talk say.
Oh, Jesus, P. And she said it one time, you know. But then she did say it a second occasion.
Rosa talk, you know. People are beg. So I know why I'm not for over here beg. That has nothing to do with me. She wants to let her take it.
I guess after she did it on that second occasion, she did it on a third occasion.
Me not run down the podium. Next week guys will come and play regular match. I will have fun and talk. Me not run down nothing.
And you see after that third occasion, my girl did it on a fourth occasion.
1 and 2 would have pushed. Me no want 1 and 2 push me. Me no want 1 and 2.
Why you know, Rosalee?
Me no want to look sympathy.
And you see after that, no, we have to stop right there. So if I continue, I'm going to run out of fingers right now. But yeah, man, the girl was really upset. I think she was just annoyed with the idea that she feels as if Tanaania have some clique system set up where block her out of getting to that #1 spot. Because that is the coveted title. That is when you know, so you're officially up there and you get some perks being at #1 and all of that. And that is what Rosalee wants, but I guess she can't do it without Tanaania stepping out of fairway. At some point in time, Tanaania heard the discourse and what was going on, and Tanaania had to say this about the entire matter.
Who would want to just lay down and get something? Who would want to just say, hey guys, give it to me. Me deserve it. Me not have the entitled mentality there, I'm sorry. Not saying that, you know, you can't have it, but that's just not me. But if you want that and you're okay with that, then you go for that. If that's your thing, then that's your thing. No, Keely, I know. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, people are making it seem like, I never ever want to go there, so. Are making it seem like me come and say, guys, let's go to #1. See the lady that will put me there? See her, they ask her if me did ask her or not. Now she come and say, I did so she want me go. I just don't understand the hatred that's coming with it. And the negativity that's coming with it, because again, I 100 times I say me nah rank. You know, watch me here, so me not even I say guys 30K to #3 or 50. Me not say nothing. Me just a play my match. Me in my match and me just a play. That's all. But I say go. And yeah, disrespect somebody when I answer. I just not get it.
Yeah. Points were made. You know, honestly, it has come to my understanding that this is really a feat and a title that people really argue over. Me hear people have conversations and of course over gifters and this and that. And so TikTok, it basically I get very much I give very in-drive energy. It has been giving very in-drive energy from Wadi, and I hope it really gets better. And so at the end of the day, nobody not owe nobody anything. If your supporters are supporting you, just work with that. Tanaania over there so, and Rosalee over there so. But I do understand the idea when you think about privilege and people coming from different background and have access to other stuff, why people who don't come from them type of means there can kind of feel slighted a lot. So, you know, but at the end of the day, listen, everybody out here a hunt, and you can't look on certain things and say, oh, well, Abaka, you live here, so why you deserve to get a big piece of chicken. The reality is that's not how life works. So let me know what you think of this entire situation, Burritos. Sound off below. Number 4, Marion Hall, Groove In. Me, altar call. Okay, Burritos now. So this one, it has to do with Marion Hall. You know, so Marion Hall in our church and all of these things. And recently she performed at Groove in the park. No, before we really jump into it, you know, so Marion Hall, she was supposed to actually be on the lineup with Queen of Dancehall, Spice. But at some point in time, Spice should come on stage and she said she's excited to come on the show. And she not really business say Marion Hall is there because she focused on her own lane.
The former queen will also be appearing. Okay? And how do you feel about that? Is there any discomfort on your side?
Oh, no, come on now. If the show is a few days away, and the promoter reached out to me to say they want to book me, if I was having some discomfort, I would have easily said no. It's easy to say no.
Okay.
So I have never been a one to have any issue with anyone when it comes down to who is performing on the show.
Only fee, a matter of days later, Spice put out on her page say she is not going to be performing. My girl declined because she prioritized her wellness.
I already told you, but to the 3,000 now when we're upon the live again, I will not be performing at Groovin in the Park. And I apologize on my page. I know most of you are looking for a deeper explanation as to why, but I don't want to go into the deepness of it. I just want to say I apologize to the promoter, to my besties, the fans, and everybody who was expecting to see me. I just feel like my peace is everything, baby. My peace and sanity.
Okay, now, so the day came and Marion Hall, she took to the stage at Groovin in the Park to perform. And what people are now questioning and chastising her for is for this particular moment during her set.
You see the one that will worry about me? I want to tell you this. Hey. Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this. Hey! Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this. Hey! Come kiss out me Bible. Come over who know a Satan disciple. The devil have you like a horse in a bridle. Sit down up in your saddle and I ride you. Jezebel, come kiss up. Pull up!
Come kiss, 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 kiss. Come kiss out me Bible. Me know me good. Oh yeah, it really sound like it could have segued right in there. So like honestly, people never like some Marion Hall kind of brought this style to her gospel music. Them things that she's just, it's blasphemous. Them things that she make a mockery of the religion and of God. And boy oh boy.
Tell them don't worry about me. Because me say, hey.
So anyway, so on stage actually caught up with Marion Hall, and this is what she had to say.
You know what? I don't read them. I don't listen. People will send things, and I talk to the Lord. I just talk to God. You know.
Okay, so my girl, I got there some fest, you know, and I'm looking forward to that performance. My girl, so she not really focused on nobody when I really say she, and you have to just respect that. At the end of the day, Marion Hall will always have our fans them and our supporters them, and I just hope that she really knows what she is doing, and when she got bed at night time and she and God have the conversation, that the two of them, you know, them join and kumbaya and all of these things are in agreement. But anyway, Burritos, were you fond of this approach on stage at Groovin at the Park? Sound off below.
And now it is time for the big up segment.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, we have to go and big up Kerry Washington, American actress, on visiting the Kingston Creative Arts Walk Festival in downtown Kingston. My girl actually met up on a fan, and boy, oh boy, this girl is very lucky. I made a love to meet her. Kerry and Berry. And also, I have to go and big up Dujon Whisper Richards. Yes, man, and him big bad Chelsea signing. Alright, so Chelsea Football Club have completed the signing of Jamaica international Dujon Whisper Richards, who will join the club next season following his 18th birthday. Yeah, man, so this is definitely an extraordinary feat, so congratulations, Whisper. Number 3, what time? Me minute hand. Jesus. So this particular conversation sparked many of debates. You were able to separate the boys from the men, the girls from the women, the people that would do common entrance versus the people that would do pep, from the people that would do G-SAT. This conversation, may I tell you, man, it had people, you know, just like up in arms, like many of arguments were ignited because of this question. Look at it. And the question says, what is the closest time to midnight? What is the closest time to midnight? Okay? And so here are the options. You have 11:55 a.m. A. B. 12:06 a.m. C. 11:50 a.m. and D. 12:03 a.m. I'm going to give you some moments for deliberate. Go and think about it, man. Because I know only the on my side. Come on, Berrydos. Go on and say, comment right now, comment right now, comment right now, people. Comment right now. Comment right now, comment right now. Ready? Ready? Alright, stop. Put on the pen them, put on the phone, everything right now. No, keep on the phone, go and watch. Right? We're ready, right? If you have any other answer other than D, come out. Come out. If you don't have any answer other than D, you come out right now. Come out right now. Okay? Okay. The answer is D. I'm going to need to tell you this. The question I think whatever people are talking about, say you can't go back in a time and time can only go in one direction. You have focus on two. The question is literally for some 12-year-olds who must focus on the fact that it's a closest to. Closest to. Put the two of them together. Closest to. Alright? If somebody say for come and meet them midnight and you meet them 1 minute after 1, close. It's close to. So 12:03, it is close to midnight. It's literally just a 3 minutes to separate them. 3 minutes to separate them. Okay? It is the closest to. So some people are talking about 11:55 and come on, man. Come on. Number 2, Yank boss S.I.P. Oh gosh, you know, I forgot to say condolences to the family and the friends, loved ones of Yank boss, also known as Kevin Solomon, the brother who is known for just bringing up the whole slang and, you know, talk about Miss Grippy.
Miss Grippy? Good afternoon, Miss Grippy. Yeah, good afternoon, Miss Grippy. Miss Grip, Miss Good Grip, Miss Glory Grip, Miss Blessings Grip. You understand? Miss Grip for life. Miss Grip.
And all of that, he is a social media personality, TikTok personality from Trinidad, and he was sadly and tragically killed at the Trin City Mall in a Trinidad car park recently.
A popular social media content creator and comedian was killed at Trin City Mall on Saturday. According to reports, Kevin Solomon, popularly known as Yank Boss, was fatally shot while seated in his vehicle while at the car park at Trin City Mall. The shooting incident occurred sometime around 5 p.m. People in the car park were sent scampering as the gunshots were heard. Solomon had over 25,000 followers on Instagram and Facebook and over 60,000 followers on TikTok.
He's a TikTok personality known for his delivery in just personal flair. The fact that he's very argumentative and him use him wit and him humor to really bring across him points and all of that. And so many people over there did know the personality. Some didn't like him but others really, really enjoyed his personality.
Sucking the mango is one thing, but it's that you go up, you have to climb up now and suck on top of the mango. Not that, that's something different, just a different conversation there.
And so what was just interesting about this whole entire situation was that in the midst of all of this, when videos began to circulate, people were actually happy that he met his demise.
You curse my children, or you attack my family on a personal level, and you dead like a dog. And if the news are true, this bottle of champagne I'm popping, I ain't drink it in vain.
And so that was quite alarming. It's just sad. Like, honestly, to the Daddy and peeps, like, no matter what, he did not deserve this. I mean, maybe it is a cautionary tale to sometimes when things happen on social media. You have to remember that there are actual people outside of social media, and sometimes they don't always take kindly to everything. And so it's something to also think about. But it's just very sad that this has happened. And I know him fans them, dearly and miss him. So, condolences to the family and friends again, and to my Trinidadian and peeps. Let me know what exactly is going on there. What are the conversations going on here? Sound off below.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shensia, and you're watching DuttyBerry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shensia, jiggle jiggle my body, yeah, jiggle jiggle.
And number one goes to Grand Discourse. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Grand Discourse. Now, people, one of the things, if you are privileged, if you are just like blessed enough to be able to have both your grandparents, your grandmother and your grandfather upon either end of your family, it is, trust me, a blessing, especially when you and them communicate and you can really to see how them live and how they take care and protect each other even in their old age. So this couple, Jesus Christ, man, they are the embodiment of what it is like to love after you're there with somebody for like 20 odd years. Take a look.
But when me do anything, don't tell me when me do it. If you know say me not do it right, you do it then. Jeez.
Things that you want can do everything. You're an idiot, man.
I don't think say you can't do everything for anything. People are beginning back at them but tell them where they must do.
If you turn around the other side, I would have put the whole of the dirt on this side there. Round that side they want it to.
So as the two of them are cussing, them just kind of back at it. And honestly, Jesus peep no grandmother's woman. Why uno so fatiguing? Uno can be fatiguing, man. Uno can see say somebody is doing something and they way to do something and you decide to just tell them. Or that would just chip a man head. Like a man will literally get up and say, yo, him go empty the rubbish. You see him walk and take up the garbage bag and something there and put on the thing on him and the gloves. And him go empty. And you see him and you say, make sure you say empty the rubbish good, And remember say I write in at the beginning for put it up at the front. How that just turn you off right there and then? Like, why would you do it? Why? It just there's something in you so where just make a break just goes like, it's like something just short circuit. I think women just do it for the fun. They just do it for the fun. But anyway, I digress. This is what happened later.
Round that side they want it to.
Kinja, take your grandma inside with me and make you leave me alone.
Jamaicans.
Like say, me no know say if you go around our room.
Don't you just love them?
You think you're smart and we all come from the same place?
Me don't believe where everyone come from. Me come from my mama. Me don't come from Jamaica. My mommy come from.
Jamaica you come from and your mama live at Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Your mama they live at Jamaica.
Birthday.
St. Elizabeth, but I don't know the town.
Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz. So, you get the whole light now.
So you see all of this ended and I'm just like, this is definitely an moment. So big up to the couple. Thank God for this video. I think it was just a cute moment for sure how them can argue, but even argue with love. Like you can still see them take care of each other and like no matter what, at the end of the day, them just have a disagreement, but that don't mean say they are going to be any like uncaring for each other. And I think that is a take home from this video, the takeaway from this video. But let me know, Burritos, is this a sort of relationship goals for you? Sound off below. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the thumbs up button. You know, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite parts of the video, as well as to share and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. For bookings, hosting, etc., please send me an email right here. Okay? Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.